like tadpole or fish in there. And there's frogs up in there. Would not want to drop my phone in there or fall in there. That water's pretty nasty. Look, even though it's runoff technically from the mountains, but ugh. You can see how dirty it is. But they're all swimming right there. Look at them. Barely even see them. Just see like a random air bubble come up. Tons of flies though, so I'm sure that's what they're eating all day. Oh, right there. Can't see the reflection of it. See if I get frogs. Frogs are hiding. As soon as they came down here, they all dipped underneath there. You can see the air bubbles. Somebody's breathing under there. There was like 3, 4, 5, maybe plus when I walked down here. Oh, yeah, I got one there. Oh, he's hopping away. Oh. Don't worry, frog, I'm not going to steal you. Usually, like when the water's flowing, if it snows or anything, the mountains just, this thing is rushing, it's rushing all the way down here where those people are at. It's pretty crazy, I think, in Israel and stuff right now. They're having basically World War III, and here in America, we're just enjoying nature peacefully. And Biden said, what, 8 billion over? It's crazy, you can just see air bubbles. You don't seem like they're so far down the dirt that the flies are going on top of the water trying to get water. That's nasty. I think the frogs are all hiding there. Look at the algae. Ugh, it's green water. You can see the bubbles like under the water. It's weird, like in the dirt. It doesn't smell the greatest either. There's tons of flies. And I don't dare touch any of this shit, but you know, otherwise I'd walk across. I really don't know what these are. It could be a basic plan, could be not, but I'm not gonna risk it. But I don't think there's any frogs over here. This water, you can tell, is much cleaner than that water. Nice little hammock spot. It's like peaceful sounding though. It's weird that it just flows right here. Thank God the sun is gone though, it's cooled off. Like it right in the back, that's illegal. And if you crash, you're gonna die. Yeah, no swimming. Yeah, I would not swim in this anyway. That's disgusting. I mean, if you see flies and you see that, like the film on top of the water and just the color, like look at the difference. Ugh. I would not stick my foot in there even to cool off. It's oily. But if you go on that side up there where the water comes through the wash, it's crazy. Froggy. Oh, there's a frog right in the back. Rabbit, rabbit. Grow. Rabbit. Probably all kinds of squirrels and stuff in here. Rabbit. Well, it's been nature exploration. We can go to the other side, I guess, but knowing my luck, I'm going to slip to that, so we'll go make a video some other time. Come on here. I got to upload at home tomorrow because it's way too long to upload here on 5G, but it feels like 4G. It feels like 3G. Cool. Frogs, tadpoles, flies, algae, and dirty water.